Alright folks, it's October 23rd still. Excuse me. I'm now in an area of ancient sand dunes in the Pine Barrens. According to a friend of mine who is a respected geologist, these are ancient dunes around here, going back a couple thousand years, I guess. Right here is a dune. Pretty big one. It goes downhill that way, uphill this way. The top of it is about 50 feet from me. Right there, up there. It's an area of sugar sand and heather and lichen and beautiful pitch pines and blackjack oak with a little greenbrier. But down there at the bottom of the dune, it's wetlands. So there's, I assume there's swamp maple in there. Looks like there may be sweet gum in there. Well, while I'm standing here, let's have a look. Can't get really close. There's mountain laurel right here. Nice big mountain laurel bush, clump of it there. I know there's inkberry holly. What else? The pitch pines are oranging out, as has been said by Pine Power LI. They really are oranging out. See? There's some white birches down there. Let me confirm what I'm thinking. Yeah, this is a willow oak. Yeah, down here, once you get down here near the southern, you start getting closer to the southern end of Atlantic County, you start seeing willow oak. Look at this stuff. Anyway, I wanted to walk around the dunes here. I don't really see any scrub oak here. It all seems to be young blackjacks. Now, I'm not on any kind of a trail, but as you can see, the trees are widely spaced here. On the dune. Underneath all this lichen is pure sugar sand. Fantastic area. I just love this. Now, my Long Island friends, if they were here, they'd love it too. I guess I'm on the top of a low dune right here. Yeah, because it slopes down from me on almost, yeah, on all sides. And you see how the pines are oranging out? This is really cool. Oh. Now what I wanted to show you is the only pitch pine here of any great size. See how they're all pretty small, but right here there's this big sucker. Now let me pan around first. Check this guy out. Yeah, there's one like this at the edge of the backwoods behind our house that's this big. Hmm. 18 to 20 inches in diameter approximately, I'm guessing. Now you can see it's much bigger than everything else. Now let's walk around the dunes some more. There is a savannah over here. Well, nearby anyway, you can't see it from here, but I'm just gonna wander around here. We'll see what we see. Unfortunately, we don't have a nice sunny day. Seems like we get the cloudy, overcast days on the weekends. Okay, there's another pitch pine. It's pretty big. It's got an old deer stand in it. Of course, this is a wildlife management area where people hunt. Yeah, there's deer bones laying around. There's a nice clump of lichen there, almost a foot in diameter. Now just a minute ago I saw what might have been a clump of holly. Now where did that go? I wanted to show you that. See, all this is inkberry holly right here, all this green stuff. Except I don't see any berries. Where I was in the first video, the inkberry holly had tons of berries on it. Alright. See, everything kind of looks the same. I'm not lost, but I'm not finding the clump of holly I thought I saw. Yeah, there's the big pine over there. Man, this is something in here. I love it. Yeah. A blue sky and bright sun would really help the video. Holy mackerel, we're up to almost 10 minutes already. Well, at least it's a beautiful place. Alright, there's another nice sized pitch pine. Yeah, see, there's a shooting range a little bit to our north, about a mile. That's what you hear, if you can hear those gunshots. Anyway, I'm gonna put another memory stick in, start part 2.